Oh, wow, what is that thing over there? Is that the fancy General Electric alarm clock radio? Man, it looks so fancy. You know, these two legs just comes off the easy though. Looks so fancy. Guess we don't need that anyway. And by the way, this is the first episode of my destruction series and some Smash related videos. So there you go. Bet you wanted some destruction videos so bad. And this is inspired by the original HD channel anyway. So in case you're wondering, especially the Smash Things 1 and everything. So let's see what we got here today. Here's the General Electric clock radio thing. Ooh, so fancy. And it's got the snooze button here, even though it's missing the letter. Even though this thing is missing the letter E though for some reason. And runs on for FM, for AFC from 88 into 108 megahertz, and AM times 10, 55 all the way to 160 kilohertz. Got sweep alarm, fast, slow, on and off, music alarm, and some tuning knob and volume, and FM AM band, and runs on 4 watts. It's the model 74625C, walnut grand finish on upholstery. It is printed in and made in Malaysia. And it says Alaska and Hawaii revert to yellow pages. I don't even have that. And it's got some caution. Do risk electric shock. Do not open. Do not expose to rain or moisture. So fancy. Let's see if this alarm clock can get this thing work though. Better be perfect. Oh, better not have some copyright music in it. Okay, it's on 12 a.m. I don't know if it'll work though, but we'll see.
Just keep track of all the guesses.
Yeah, what's wrong with this thing? Is there a problem with the speaker? Is that supposed to do that? I don't know if that's supposed to do anything like this. Got some problems. Let's try it now. It's not working. Where's the alarm? That's all they have in here? No. It's not working. I'm sure this is supposed to have speakers or somewhere. I don't know. Whatever. May not work. Man, this alarm clock is so complicated anyway. Forget it. And I got some spaceship plug. It looks so fancy. So golden vintage though. Pretty fancy though. I'm gonna get a golf club anyway, so I can smash this stupid thing. Alright, I'm gonna get this thing work now. Let's see what it does. Get to work! Start working! What happened? What happened to this play? It broke off? Get to work! Stupid clock radio! You gotta try to hit the camera. Can't have that. Where's the problem? That was pretty quick, after all. Okay, that was a problem. Now I got some booming speaker. There we go. We got some Mic Edition speaker. It says 16 ohms. What is this rated at? Oh, 0.8 watts. And it's from Korea. Fancy. Pretty fancy after all, though. Maybe this golf club here must have some familiar things. Maybe this golf club could be a lot better than this time. This the other one's too big anyway. Walknut grand finish on upholstery. You sure about that? I thought it was supposed to have some simulate wood grain. But it's not. Come on, GE, General Electric, get to work. What happened to the vintage clock anyway? Oh, how cheap. I thought it was supposed to be made out of a piece of metal, but it's just plastic. Stupid thing. I want to get this thing out of the way so I can continue smashing that stupid thing. Would you let go of the stupid golf club, stupid cord? I keep missing it. Quit escaping from the camera. Come back here. Let go. There we go. There we go. All recycled now. And separated too. Warren Clock got some problems.